back to my channel, or welcome back if you have been here before. Today's video is sort of the first in a sort of home series that's going to be coming on this channel. Today's video I've wanted to film for like the past year or something like that, but I've never got round to it. It's never been the perfect time. However, I am due to move out of home in 2 weeks time, so I've got a lot of stuff to do, so I really had to film it today, and it was a now or never opportunity. I would have liked to have filmed this on a sunnier day. It is about to storm outside, so you may find this video is a little bit darker than I would have liked it, but we will just have to roll with that today. But yeah, I think I just mentioned previously, but today's video is going to be a room tour of my bedroom at home. I have done a previous room tour, still in this house, but when I was in a different bedroom, so I will link that down below if you do want to sort of check that one out. Yeah, I don't want this to come across as bragging, like look I have this or anything like that, but I just wanted to film it for my own memories, because I really regret not filming like my uni rooms, because I now can't look back on them. Yeah, I've got pictures and stuff, but for me it's just not the same, so I really wanted to do something like this for this room before I move out. But yeah, enough rambling now, and let's just get into the video. Hello everybody and welcome to my room tour 2020. Behind the camera we've got my brother Louis. I've roped him into this today, so thanks for that. If you want to come in, I will show you my room. So Louis is just walking through the door right now, and I will just go behind him and close it. So directly next to the door we've got my Taylor Swift poster. I've got this in Secret Santa last year, but yeah, that's just a picture of her from her Reputation tour. And then directly next to this, on the first wall, we've got my wardrobes, which I've got 3 doors along there from IKEA. This is the state of them indoors. As you can see, they're pretty messy at the moment, and they need a good tidy, but got some lovely rose gold hangers. And then on top of here we've got some Harry Potter books, we've got some photos, Christmas bauble, and lots of Harry Potter Lego. That is where I tend to keep all of that kind of things. And then directly next to this we have my TV and like entertainment area, I guess you could say. We've got 2 main attraction Minnie Mouses, PS4, some more Minnie Mouses, we've got some Minnie Mouse headbands down here along with my money box, and then this is a bit of a junk place. It's just got some house stuff and my solicitors and stuff, but oh dearie me, that was an accident. Right next to that we've got this big old bag that's overflowing. That's my ironing pile, and I'm not very good at ironing, so, or I don't really like ironing, so that's there. But next to this we've got my Hollywood mirror, which I love, and I got for my birthday a couple of years ago. And then this desk or makeup area, makeup drawers, dressing table is the word, is from IKEA, and it's full of crap as well, which needs, everything you'll see in this video needs a good clearing out. So I'm holding off until I move out. But yeah, I've just got my makeup bag and stuff on here, and then my Mac as well. And then underneath we've just got my bedroom bin, another like light up magnifying. Oh my god. What? How did that happen? The laptop was closed. And then this box from IKEA, which has got my hairdryer and stuff, and then like a roller, foam roller thingy as well. This is from Next. This is just a little stool. It's got some hair stuff in, and then also the rug is from Next as well. I have that there so I don't get makeup on the carpet, which was quite a good idea if you're a girl. Next to that is my window, which I love because got nice 4 windows here as well. We've just got a picture of me and Matt at Thailand, and then we've got a candle, and then this little M thing here as well. And then on the next wall we've got my bed and some more bedroom furniture. We've got my rose gold fan here, which is from Next as well, which is very much needed recently because it's been so hot in the UK. And then we've got these little fairy lights next to that as well, which I have to sleep on at the moment because I saw a shadow in my room about a week ago, so I can't sleep without them on anymore. These little fairy lights are from Primark, as well as the Minnie Mouse at the end, which I've just realised is running out of battery. And then above this we've got this shelf with some more Minnie Mouses as well. Got M from Next, a little card from my best friend Zoe. This picture of me and my granddad at my prom, which is from 8 years ago. We've got my Polaroid camera, and then a Minnie Mouse from my last Disney trip, which was to Paris. So I'll link those vlogs down below as well. All of my bedding is from Next. Apart from this pillow is from Sainsbury's Home, but we've just got a Lotso strawberry smelling bear, lovely. And then this is another main attraction, Minnie Mouse. And on the other side of my bed we have got another set of drawers. This is the side of my bed that I sleep, so I've got my Nintendo Switch, I've got the book that I'm currently reading. I've decided to reread all of the Twilight series, and we've got my iPad, which is on charge at the moment as well. We've got this little clock from Next, which doesn't work anymore, unfortunately. And then of course we've got this hand food from Soap and Glory, which if you've been here before you know that I love Soap and Glory. I swear by hand food from them. And then we've got this lovely, what's this called, Louis? This is called a lamp, isn't it? This lovely rose gold lamp with the grey at the top, and then we've got some more, you know, teddies down the bottom there. My room is pretty much full of Minnie Mouses. Next to that we've got this, which is my chest of drawers. And then on the top here we've got 2 main attraction Minnie Mouses as well. We've got number 4 and number 7. And then this is my jewellery box. We've got some perfumes. This diffuser from the White Company, which has run out, but the reeds still smell, so I've still got that up there. We've also got this, my sunglasses, Honey Dukes from Walt Disney World Suites from 2017, and this chip mug is also from my Disney trip in 2017 as well. And then the final thing that we've got in this room, which I'm really lucky to have in this house, is my ensuite. So if you come through here, there's not much to see in here, apart from we've got a sink here, and my toothbrush is on charge up there. And then we've also got a toilet, and then, which is pretty much it, we've got my scales down here along with a little pug, and then we've also got towel rail, towel and bath mat, and then behind the door we've got a shower, which is pretty much standard, there's not much to say about that. And then on the back of this door I've just got my dressing gowns, which are hanging up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. There's not really much else to say, so don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below, and maybe subscribe if you want to. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.